Hi, good morning, everybody. This is Chris with BNFX here with your New York Open analysis and kind of a look at a week ahead as to what to expect fundamentally news-wise here. So I'm going to kind of start off just with a look at where the markets are right now. So as you can see, the dollar is pretty bid here along with the yen. So it's definitely a risk-off day today. Euro's getting beat up. Basically it's once again dollars mixed, but it's an interesting day here. So the theme so far today has been a little bit of hesitancy with the negotiations between Russia and Ukraine. So the expectation last week was a real positive tone, but there's new accusations of about war crime reports as the Russian army redeploys as they're leaving Kiev area and going into Belarus. And it seems like they're regrouping here, but once again, the tone in regards to progress seems to have faltered a bit here. The other big thing that I have is the Canadian dollar, seeing some continued strength. The business outlook survey showed some real progress in terms of growth. So the expectation is that the Canadian dollar will start appreciating a little bit more. So what I have right now is I have a dollar and Canadian dollar, some strength there, and I have the euro is kind of the currency I would trade against. But just keep in mind that Russia-Ukraine situation is volatile and can change any second. So it's not a real solid fundamental driver. It's a very risky position to be taking. So just keep that in mind. In terms of week ahead, we do have the RBA rate statement coming in later today. So right now I have the Australian dollar weak, but that could change here at 6:30 Hawaiian time. So the expectation is that the RBA could change their stance from a dovish tone to a real hawkish tone. So it'll be interesting what happens there. But when you have rate statements, I would stay out of that and let the dust settle till you can interpret what's going on before you make a move. Tuesday, tomorrow, we also have the ISM services PMI. That's a good indicator of inflation. Wednesday, we have the meeting minutes, and then Friday, we have our employment change and unemployment rate for the Canadian dollar. But other than that, it's a pretty light week in terms of speakers, nothing real heavy going on market-wise. So, we'll keep you apprised of what's going on with the Russia-Ukraine situation. And, a suggestion that I would make for you guys if you're trading throughout the day is just, keep an eye on the news. You don't have to be checking it every second, but, maybe get like a live twit or something like that. So if any crazy news comes out, you'll know right away. So, you want to protect your positions. And if something changes that, invalidates your investment, you need to get out quickly. So in terms of trades, like I said, nothing that I'm going to be looking at right now, but I'm going to dig in and see if maybe we find something here at the London close in terms of a move here. So hit me up if you have any questions. And as I mentioned here, sometime this week, we will be starting to send you guys like a London Open and a New York Open report, so you guys can have a breakdown of the fundamentals, and that'll allow you to really make some good choices when you're investing in currencies. All right, you have a great day, and if you guys need anything, hit me up in the room. Mahalo.